What's good, team? I hope you're all having a great time. Yesterday's trade was beautiful. Guys. I'm talking about this one over here. And in today's video, I want to talk about how I was able to make more than 214,000 on this trade. That's around 3.5%, and I've risked 1%. So it was like a 1 to 3.5 risk reward ratio, something like that, guys. So yeah, we're going to talk about the trade. I've recorded the session again, so you can see how I managed the trade along the way, because I was playing with it a little bit, taking some profits, scaling it up a little bit, like as I always do, as you know. For all of you who already know how I'm trading the markets, you know that we load it up on the good trades, guys, because if you're not able to load it up on a good trade, but you load it up on a bad trade, because this is what most newbies do, they take two big losses. Like if they have a trade running in profit, they become anxious. They don't want the market to turn around again. They don't want to lose their profits, the profit that is on the clock. So they become anxious. They close positions too early. They don't have the balls to larger the position size. And the first day when you start to load it up on a running positive position, like if you see the market is moving in your favor and you are able to move your stop a little bit to reduce the risk, if you're able to put some more volume on the table, this is the day when you become a real trader. It is like that, guys, because all the losing traders out there, they are too scared to scale it up on a good running trade. But what nearly every fucking losing trader does is, when the market is turning against them, they start to get in again and again, widen their stop loss, getting in again and again, because they think they get a better price. But if the market is not reacting on your level as you expect, I mean, you have to take the loss. You have to cut the loss quick, guys. If the market is not moving in your favor, and there are structure-wise, there are positions in the market where you don't want to be involved anymore because the trade is no longer valid, so you have to take the loss. And don't fall in that trap to try to make it back as quick as possible, because this is, man, I'm chatting with so many people, I'm chatting with so many traders out there, and they sharing their experience with trading with me. They share their losing and why they lose, and so many people are losing because they take this revenge trades. If they lose a trade, they want to make it back as quick as possible. It's like going in a casino, being addicted to playing in a casino. It hurts. If you lose money, it hurts. Emotions get over you, and your brain switches off. You stop thinking rational, rational. You stop thinking rational. You stop it, you know. And this is when the shit happens. This is like the devil's circle that doesn't stop, because you have this feeling inside of you, you want to make it back as quick as possible. But guys, you need to relax, you need to breathe, you need to calm down, you need to wait for your next setup. Because if you lose your trade is not valid, then probably this setup is not valid anymore. So you gotta look out for a next setup, for another setup. So don't fall into that trap of rushing into trades after you take a losing trade, guys. Really relax, take a deep breath, take the loss like a real man, fuck it, okay, and then continue and wait for the next move, guys. This is how we make money in this industry. Because if you fall for that trap, man, you can have a winning streak of 2 weeks, man, and then you fall into that trap and you lose the whole account. Guys, don't do that, please. Do it for yourself, for your kids, for whoever, man. Just stay calm and don't let your emotions ruin your trading decisions and ruin your trading results. Okay, so that's being said, for everyone who's watching the channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe that channel, because I'm here to help you get your trading game on the next level and help you to make some real money in this markets. Okay, this is what I'm doing. And if you need a personal assistance, if you want to talk to me personal, I have a Telegram chat where I'm going to chat with all my students, with everybody who needs my help, who want advice. I'm willing to share a lot of valuable information, even for free, with you. So if you're new here, make sure to drop me a message in Telegram and join the free Telegram chat. I'm sharing trading ideas there as well and all that good stuff. So let's talk about yesterday's trade. I had a profit of around 3.5%. Like I said, 1% risk. Was a great trade, guys. The risk reward was perfectly fine. Why I took the trade, guys? I mean, I was still thinking that we are about to see some more movements to close this big drop over here. You know, I was thinking like we are about to maybe hit the 1,800 level or something, get back into that zone. You know, like this is what I was thinking. Like market could continue to move up. So why I took the trade exactly, guys? I mean, as you can see, after the Asian session overnight, we had a drop, and then the market was making a bullish structure, but couldn't get above the yesterday's high. So my idea was that we are about to hit yesterday's high, and yeah, to get above these two obstacles over here. I mean, we had a drop like with something like a double top as well, and as you can see, so much liquidity sitting over here. I mean, we had like this news event who just went violently. We took our trade before the news event, so we were not in this market. But as you can see, look how fast it was slashing through. Like, was crazy. There was so much liquidity, so many stops were sitting there, and limit orders, I think, as well. People who want to get in, people who want to get out, whatever, they all chilling around these highs and lows. So guys, whenever a significant liquidity zone gets grabbed, I want to take a deep look on the smaller time frames, because on this, for example, on this one over here, we grabbed the liquidity and then we broke the structure. I can show it to you on a 1 minute chart. 1 second. And why I took the trade, guys, we had this liquidity grab. As you can see, we had this liquidity grab over here, and then we had like a pretty strong aggressive move that broke structure over here. You see that? So we broke the structure over here, and then after that we built like something like a consolidation compression zone. And when the market was hitting this last drop, I marked up this zone for my entry. I wanted to get in around in this area, put my stop just below this one over here, because if I see the market is giving me a nice reversal pattern, like this head and shoulders pattern, as you can see, like we have the shoulder over here, then we have the head over here in this area, then we have the break of structure, as you can see, and then the market came back a little bit, and then we had like this huge push to the upside. So yeah, this is why I took the trade, guys. We had the liquidity grab, we had a reversal pattern, and then I was like, okay, let's hunt the next liquidity zone. And the next liquidity is sitting, of course, over here, as you can see, over here, over here, over here. This is where the next liquidity is sitting. So I failed to bank profits in this case, and the market turned against me, and then I was loading it up. I was moving my stop. I was moving my stop a little bit, and then I was loading it up when it came back to bigger my position size. This is what I did, and I can show it to you. I mean, I've recorded everything. So yeah, we had this, as I told you guys, we had this liquidity over here, got grabbed, then we have a reversal pattern, and then I was looking to get my entry. I was already using this position size calculator, calculate my risk, and 0.2% risk is around 45 lots on the actual price. And so I was thinking about opening like 250 lots because the market was coming down a little bit, and so I was able to scale it up a little bit more. So I have 3 positions for 5 positions in the market. Market reacted, as you can see, market reacted a little bit, but came back again. And there you can see I placed my targets around this liquidity zone on top, because the lower liquidity got grabbed. Then we have the nice reversal pattern, and so I thought the market will go up because we are still in like in a bullish structure. The market wants to go up, and so I was targeting higher targets. That's what I did. And as you can see, we had great move, guys. Look at that. I was not banking profits. I was already up 1.5%, around 1.5% on that one. But then the market came back strong. As you can see, I was moving my stop. Look at that, guys. I was moving my stop. Before that, my stop was on the green line. And then I moved my stop up a little bit, took some risk off the table, and then I scaled it up, put another 200 lots on the table. And then my risk was at around a little bit more than 1. Maybe it was 1.2%. But yeah, I was willing to put some more money on the table. And then we had this nice push to the upside, guys. And then I took some profits already, as you can see. Just before that high, I was like, okay, if the market wants to turn around again, if it wants to drop, then I should secure some profits at around this high, because we had a strong rejection at the beginning. So I was already closing the positions that I've scaled in. Then I opened 2 more scaled in positions. As you can see, I was moving my stop deep in profit. I was like, okay, if this low over here gets grabbed, I don't want to be involved no more. Okay, so if they want to break this one over here, I'm out. And let's see, I think it was so close, it nearly stopped me out by a pip, guys. Look at that. I was still holding with around 15 grand in profit. Like, if I would close the position over there with the loading it up positions, it would be like a break even, but I already banked profits, so it would be, in a worst case scenario, would have left the table with some profits. But the great thing is that the market came back strong. I was able to close this 2 loaded up positions as well, and another one of my first positions, I've closed it as well. So I was loading it up, closing a little bit, then I was loading it up again. As you can see, I took another trade and tried to exit with profit. Let's see. I think my target got missed by a few pips, man. It was so close. Look at that. The market was moving to my target. It was not hitting my target. I was not watching the screen at that time, because I was getting ready. I was getting ready for a football match with my homies. But yeah, anyways, the market came back to the entry. I was watching it a little bit, and then it was coming back. And then I was moving the target a little bit more up, because I thought, like, now we're getting the push that I was waiting for. But we didn't get it. The market was going slow again, as you can see, and I decided to close the last loaded up position. I've closed it on the top because it got rejected like 1-2 times. I got a little bit scared, and then I was just waiting for the market to move to my higher targets. And as soon as I saw that it's not going anywhere and it's already late, I mean, we had like we had a little break to the top out of this channel. As you can see, like, there's like a little compression channel. It was going to the upside, came back, broke the structure over here, and I think I decided to close some more at this point. didn't want it to hit my stop. I wanted to bank a little bit more. The trade overall was 4 hours 40 minutes, something like that. 4 hours. 4 hours and 40 minutes. So yeah, this is when I decided to close another position. You see, it came back a little bit, but already broke the structure. So I felt like it is ready to drop. Like, it is exhausted. The market doesn't want to keep moving up. So I decided to just leave it for the day. I made a great profit. I was playing with the market a little bit, moving my stop, getting in again and stuff, you know. So it was a great trade. And yeah, this is how we're making money in a Genius Trading Team, guys. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. And if you need some help, guys, I told you, check the links in the description. Join the free Telegram channel. Drop me a private message if you need some advice. I'm there to help you. I can give you a lot of information for free even. So use the chance, drop me a message. And if you're really serious about that, then join our team. Get into our group chats, connect with traders from all around the world, and learn all our best strategies in the Genius Trading Masterclass course, guys. That's the real deal. Man, you're going to learn everything, like even the beat the market makers, the X-ray strategy. This is one of the most important parts of the course. If you understand the beat the market maker strategy, then you understand how the market makers move the market, and then you can move with them, and then you can make the big money, guys. This is how we do it. All right, so yeah, check it out, and yeah, drop me a message, guys. I wish you all the best and stay healthy. Peace out. Love.